Hello, people of the internet. Just wanted to shoot this quick video while my family is not at home because I just got the Zombie Scrum Survival Kit. I know it might sound a little bit weird, but Christiaan Barry and I, we really want you to be successful, and the book that we're going to release is just one part of that. The other part is this whole ecosystem that we're trying to build around making you successful and making sure that you have all the tools that you need to fight Zombie Scrum effectively. And so I'm going to share with you what that Zombie Scrum Survival Kit looks like. This is what the box looks like. As you can see, the red crosses already indicate that it's the Zombie Scrum First Aid Kit. And this is what's inside. I opened this up for you because then it's easier to explain. We have some cool eco-cycle planning cards. This is what they look like when they're fresh. The eco-cycle plays a role in our book, not the biggest role, but it plays a role, and there's a description of how you engage in this experiment, and then you have cards for all the stages of the eco-cycle and other things that help you do some nice eco-cycle planning with your Scrum team. What else? Powerful question cards. I think these are my favorite of the whole pack. Asking the right question at the right time can be a really powerful tool in your arsenal against Zombie Scrum. And these are sorted into different categories. So for example, better sprint goals and sprint backlogs. Keep the team focused during the sprint. So this, for example, says, if you were a stakeholder, what would be the most valuable thing for us to work on today in order to achieve the sprint goal? That's a really good question. And most Scrum teams don't ask these questions. We don't print these to turn you into wise ass. It's mostly about helping, and you will find out in the book how you do that in a good way without annoying people too much. Then we have these cards that kind of show what healthy Scrum looks like in our opinion. And you can use these with your team to look at them, like, for example, take them to lunch, take the team and the cards to lunch, and then you look at one of these cards and you discuss them. We have our 15% solution cards. You can use these if you're familiar with the liberating structure of 15% solutions. You can use these in any kind of meeting, hand them out, and ask people to add their 15%. And then finally, a whole bunch of stickers. These are going to help you spread knowledge, raise awareness, get people into your local Zombie Scrum resistance movement. And they look really nice. And we want you to put them anywhere and everywhere in the whole world. Right, as far as I know, there's also going to be a poster in there. And that's the Zombie Scrum First Aid Kit. So I hope this gave you a short impression of what the Zombie Scrum First Aid Kit looks like. Before I switch this off, I just wanted to tell you that I'm noticing that you look different. You look really good. That's something that just needed to be pointed out. So keep doing what you're doing. It's really working. Have a good time. See you soon.